Hey folks, Adam here, and I've got a great program and website that I want you to check out. I've had the opportunity to evaluate it thoroughly, and yes, this is our one-stop AI video enhancer and converter. So if you're looking to change formats, if you're looking to enhance your video, step up the quality, get that resolution looking tight, and enhance your personal videos, and a whole lot more, this is great for audio, it's great for video, it's great for DVDs, it's got AI tools, a downloader, and of course a recorder that is going to change the way you do business. So in this video, we're going to give it a thorough evaluation, let you know our results for using the program, and we're going to kick it off right now. So folks, we're going to walk you through the video editor, the video converter, the AI tools, and of course the download center. Now, what's so great about this is that this gets you the smartest compression, fast AI, better downloads, and you can get that full license via now with that holiday deal. So folks, version 8.9, it's your one-stop AI enhancer and converter. Now, one of the things we did to do the homework for you is we checked online and various resources to see, do we have to worry about any viruses or anything negative from this website, from the software? And fortunately, a thorough evaluation based on 7 different trustworthy sites, these all gave it a thumbs up. So it's got 3-level hardware acceleration and unprecedented speed, absolutely smooth video processing at 4 and 8K without compromising quality. We're talking GPU acceleration, super resolution, image enhancer, colorizing, removing of noise in your vocals, making the frames better, and of course, video stabilization. And that can be very, very important. Now folks, one of the things that I've been able to do with this program is upgrade my old screensavers. I used to have a great time making screensavers and uploading them, but they don't get many views anymore because that old HD 1080p isn't good enough for today's screens. So I was able to upload my videos and I was able to convert them to 4 or 8K, which allows them to be seen on much bigger screens, get more downloads and more usability. So for me as a YouTube creator who's constantly creating content, it's breathing new life into my channels. And folks, I absolutely love the hardware acceleration associated with this. Now, compared to other programs, we're talking 47 times faster. This unique technology allows you to improve and speed up, optimize, and get those videos done faster than ever before. Face restoration is a favorite. You can take those blurry faces and make them clear again. Imagine that with your home movies. Colorization, it does a great job of taking home movies. My Uncle Charlie has been testing this out on Grandma and Grandpa Mac's old movies, and they look so much better than ever before. And yeah, it's just a click of a button. Make the frames so much more crisp. I love that. I personally like the ability to stabilize my footage. I recorded a lot of pro wrestling footage on a shaky cam in the past. I like that I can upgrade that, but I also like that I can adjust the audio tracks and clean those up as well. I can add in my audio tracks, I can get rid of that noise, I can accelerate everything about this and just make it better. Now folks, one of the things that's great about this is perfect for GoPro style videos. You can stabilize, denoise, and resize 4K or HDR videos. You're gonna save space and you're gonna be able to edit these for things like YouTube and Instagram at the highest quality possible. And of course, for you iPhone users, this is the perfect toolkit. You can edit, cut, crop, merge iPhone 4K HEVC videos, sharing on SNS, transcode to and from your iPhone, and keep a sharp image. I also love that this will help you convert DVDs, keep the formats that you need. I'm talking 420 plus formats. This is going to be able to grab pretty much any format that you need. It's going to put it in the format that you want and make it easy for you. You can even go from 3D to 2D There's so much in regards to upscaling, downscaling, auto copying, and adjusting quality. I'm talking cut, crop, merge effects, simple edits, and polish up your footage very easily and efficiently. Cutting is a very common video editing tool, and you're going to be able to shorten your videos, you're going to be able to put them in the format you want, and make them look better than ever. So yeah, folks, whether we are editing, very straightforward to get the size clip that we need. This is great for people that may be converting over home movies, changing the format, edit, name, tag, etc. We can grab those DVD files, make those backups we need. We can download accordingly, record everything we need, and of course the resolution. We can go from grainy to clear at a push of a button. We can scale 2K or 2x, 4x, etc., 2, 3, or 4x. We can change the resolution, enhance the video, deinterlace, change the format for the output, and it's all at a click of a button. So folks, my question to you is, what are you waiting for? We're living in a time where AI is making everything that much easier. This program is able to take those old home movies, give them new life, make them crystal clear again. They're able to make every scene look like 4K. They're able to clean up audio from the background. They're able to change the tracks around, crop things down, or even save space. Maybe you've got these old AVI files that are taking up gigabytes of space. Change the format, improve the quality, and less space on your cloud or hard drive situation. So folks, the other thing I have to tell you, this is a trusted company. I've literally worked with them for years. Never had a problem, never had an issue, never had a slowdown on my machine. It's the fastest, the best, absolute worry-free solutions, and the ease of use of this software is fantastic. So folks, I highly recommend you go check this out. You will not be disappointed. These guys are absolutely the best of the best. We'll put all the information in our description so you can get the best deals. We'll keep that updated for you. Folks, it's time to go check it out. You will not be disappointed. You know, I appreciate you guys. I find it's my mission to get you guys the best software, the best hardware, the best tech on the planet. This one's a winner. Thanks for watching. Love you. Goodbye, my friends.